Today's webcast is monitoring sick leave. We'll utilize the advanced calendar to monitor sick leave, generate a report for sick leave, as well as email a report via the task manager. So now I'm actually going to generate an exceptions report, and with the exceptions report and a lot of the reports in TeleStaff, you can right-click on it and hit Limit By to set up your criteria. So in this case, I'm going to check off my battalion, my shift, and my work code. That's what I want to look at. So I'm going to look at all my battalions, all my shifts, and I'm going to scroll down and just grab my sick leave work code. And we're going to do it from the 1st of April through the end of April. And I'm going to generate my report. Okay, and now you can see my 3 people that I have out on sick leave. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to email a report, and I'm going to email through the Task Manager module. So I've right-clicked on my Services Manager gear in my system tray, and it brings up my Service Manager. And now I'm going to right-click on Task Manager, select View, and this now displays all the different jobs that the Task Manager can perform. So what we're looking for is the email reports right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right-click on Properties, which brings up my email reports. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to my Task tab, because I'm going to create a task. In other words, I'm going to create a job. I'm going to right-click in the white area and select Add New Task. Okay. And so it brings up my task window. So I'm actually going to call this task sick leave. Sick leave report. And now I'm going to go to my Run Options tab. And in my Run Options window, I need to select the task type. So if I select the drop-down arrow here and scroll down till I see TM email, select that, then you'll see the parameters that it displays for me. The type of database that I need, the name of the report, the email, and so forth. And now I'm going to select the database that I want it to look at, which is going to be Fire EMS. Okay. The name of the report. The name of the report, I'm actually going to type in a name. You can also have a predefined report already saved on your desktop, but I'm going to type in sick leave. And then the email recipient is going to be myself. Now to define the report, I'm going to double click in the white area. What it does is it brings up the reports that are in TeleStaff. So I'm going to go to my exceptions report. I'm going to right click, Limit By, and I'm going to set up my criteria. I want to see my battalion. I'm going to uncheck my rank. I'm going to see my shift, and I need to see my sick leave work code, so I need to select work code. Click OK. And now, setting it up in the report, I'm going to select all of my battalion, all of my shift, and then I'm going to scroll down to find my sick leave work code. And now I'm actually going to change this date up here, this from and through, to a dynamic date. And now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Once I click OK, you'll see that the field to find the report is populated with the file name of the exceptions report. Now I'm going to click OK. Now it brings me back to my email reports. Now I'm going to go to my Schedules tab because now I want to tell the system when I want that report to run. So I'm going to actually create a new schedule. So here where it says Add New Schedule, I'm going to hit the drop-down arrow, and I want it to run every day, so daily. Okay. I want it to run every day at 6 a.m., and I want it to start on tomorrow's date. Tomorrow being April 22nd. I'm going to add that to my schedule every day starting April 22nd, 2010. Click OK, and there it is. Click OK. And check my email reports task, and there it is. Biweekly. Next run, April 22nd.